Alright everyone, it is 10 o'clock here tonight. We got 10 Panini Playbook hanger boxes tonight. Lost one there. We got 5 of them with the orange parallel, as you can see here. And then we got 5 more with purple. Target versus Walmart. As always, just a little bit different in their retail allocation. We'll get started tonight with our buyer sheet here. We got Daniel R. with the Cardinals, Frank H. with the Rams, William O. with the Bears, Nick B. with the Vikings, Robert W. with Eagles, Sam M. with 49ers, Bucks, Lions, Raiders, Broncos, Dolphins, Bengals, and Steelers, Scott with the Seahawks and the Redskins, Brandon with the Packers and the Chargers, Paul with the Cowboys, Chiefs, Titans, Colts, Browns, Ravens, Bills, and Jets, and the Patriots, Giants, Jaguars, Texans, Saints, Panthers, and Falcons did not sell this afternoon. Let's get into it here. Thank you all for joining us here on Baseball Breaks. Let's get into box number 1. We're going to start with the orange boxes here tonight. And here we go. Box number 1. Here we go, box number 1. As always with the playbook, we have our retail exclusive base set. We'll be seeing a lot of that tonight. Starting off the night with Drew Brees, N'Keal Harry, Chris Carson, Alshon Jeffrey, Ryan Tannehill, Blake Martinez, Nick Chubb, Taysom Hill, Aaron Jones, Aaron Donald, Dak Prescott just got paid, Patrick Mahomes, nice base card there, Matthew Stafford, Brandon Cooks, Christian McCaffrey, Le'Veon Bell, and we got a next up insert, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Miles Sanders zoning commission insert, next up Antonio Gibson rookie insert, blitz insert here, Dwayne Haskins, there's a nice card, and the final base cards of the pack, AJ Spenza, Jacob Eason, Darrington Evans, Isaiah Coulter, Kenneth Murray, Amari Cooper, Mecole Hardman, Quez Watkins, Xavier McKinney, and Kristen Fulton are our orange parallels in that pack. Here we go into our second box of the night, sticking with the orange parallels. Once again, we're leading off with Drew Brees, N'Keal Harry, Chris Carson, Alshon Jeffrey, Ryan Tannehill, Blake Martinez, Nick Chubb, Taysom Hill, Daniel Jones, Melvin Gordon, Aaron Jones, Aaron Donald, Dak Prescott, Patrick Mahomes, Matthew Stafford, Brandon Cooks, Clyde Edwards-Helaire next up. Very similar box here, just off by a couple base cards. Miles Sanders, Antonio Gibson, Dwayne Haskins, Albert Okunoam, Broncos, that's a new one. And some parallel here. excuse me, not quite a parallel. Grant Delpit, Joshua Kelly, Malcolm Perry, Antoine Winfield, and our orange parallels for the box: Mitchell Trubisky, Phillip Rivers, Cole Kmet, rookie, Josh Uche, rookie, and Tristan Wirfs, rookie. Couple rookie parallels there. And let's get into box number 3 here tonight. This pack does not start with Drew Brees. Funny there, seeing 2 packs with the same first half there. Here we got Joe Mixon, Kenyon Drake, Stephon Diggs, Darren Waller, Mitchell Trubisky, Phillip Rivers, Julio Jones, Lamar Jackson, Drew Lock, cover athlete there. Interesting choice for the cover athlete. Did not have that great of a rookie year, but got a lot of hope for him. Mark Andrews, Christian Kirk, Amari Cooper, Mecole Hardman, Anthony Miller, Deshaun Watson, Brian Burns, and here are inserts: Zoning Commission, David Montgomery. The captain's insert, Dak Prescott. Next up, rookie insert, DeAndre Swift. Blitz, O.J. Howard. And Joe Reed, Denzel Mims, John Hightower, Keyshawn Vaughn, Quez Watkins, and the orange parallels in this pack: Golden Tate, Drew Lock, Mark Andrews, John Hightower, and Keyshawn Vaughn. Add those to our orange parallel stack over here. A couple nice quarterback names so far for the parallels. As we get into our 4th box of 10 here tonight, I'd like to thank everyone for joining Baseball Breaks here on a Wednesday night, ripping some Panini Playbook. We'll be back with some Optic and some other NFL breaks in the coming weeks, so stay tuned to our Instagram page, Baseball Breaks, and our eBay account, Greer717. Here we go. Pack number 4. Sony Michel, Russell Wilson, Fletcher Cox, Derrick Henry, Rashawn Gary, Baker Mayfield, Rob Gronkowski, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Devin Bush, Leighton Vander Esch, Sammy Watkins, Kenny Galladay, Juju Smith-Schuster, Teddy Bridgewater, Sam Darnold, Nick Bosa. Next up insert is Darrington Evans. Zoning Commission, Josh Jacobs. Next up, Josh Kelly. Blitz is Darius Slayton. And the Jeremy Chin rookie card. He had a great rookie season. Javon Kinlaw, Jake Fromm, Bradley Anae. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, base rookie. There's a nice one. And our orange parallels for the pack: Derek Carr, Roquan Smith, Randall Cobb, Trevon Diggs, Devin Duvernay. Here we go to our final pack that will have the orange parallels in our fifth box here tonight. Starts off with Nick Chubb, Taysom Hill, Kyle Van Noy, Keenan Allen, Josh Allen, Kirk Cousins, Joe Mixon, Kenyon Drake, Christian McCaffrey, Le'Veon Bell, George Kittle, Golden Tate, Drew Lock, Mark Andrews, Christian Kirk, Amari Cooper, Next up, KJ Hamler, Penn State. Damian Harris, Zoning Commission. And the next up, Justin Herbert. There we go. First Herbert of the night comes in the form of an insert. Not bad at all. Get that one sleeved up and set aside. And we will continue here. Hunter Henry Blitz insert. Cole Kmet, Josh Uche, Tristan Wirfs, Jordan Love base card. There we go, another desirable rookie quarterback in this box. This box is looking a lot better than the first four. Eno Benjamin, Cooper Kupp parallel. Josh Allen Jaguars parallel. Kirk Cousins, Bradley Anae, and Clyde Edwards-Helaire orange parallel. Not bad at all. And that is it for the first half, the orange parallel boxes. Then we will move into the purple parallels. Same card configuration, everything, except those 5 in the back will be purple instead of orange. Get our sixth box, excuse me. Josh Allen, Kirk Cousins, Joe Mixon, Kenyon Drake, Stephon Diggs, Darren Waller, Mitchell Trubisky, Phillip Rivers, Geno Atkins, Kyler Murray, Devin Singletary, Derek Carr, Roquan Smith, Randall Cobb, Curtis Samuel, Justin Tucker. Into our inserts, we got Joe Mixon, Ronald Jones, and T. Higgins on the next up. We got Nick Chubb, Blitz, Malcolm Perry, Antoine Winfield, Justin Jefferson, base rookie. There's another one of our desirable rookies in this stacked rookie class that we call the 2020 rookie class here. How do you guys think the 2021 class will stack up compared to the hot 2020 class? A.J. Terrell, Antonio Gibson, and our purple parallels this time are Chris Goodwin, Josh Allen, Denzel Mims, John Hightower, and Keyshawn Vaughn. And we'll get into our second of our 5 purple boxes here tonight. Here we go, our 5th box of the night. Kenyon Drake, Stephon Diggs, Darren Waller, Mitchell Trubisky, Phillip Rivers, Julio Jones, Lamar Jackson, Deion Jones, Geno Atkins, Kyler Murray, Devin Singletary, Derek Carr, Roquan Smith, Randall Cobb, Curtis Samuel, Josh Kelly. Next up, Captains Richard Sherman, Zoning Commission Derrick Henry, Blitz O.J. Howard, John Hightower, Keyshawn Vaughn, Quez Watkins, Xavier McKinney, Kristen Fulton, and our purple parallels are Darren Waller, Mitch Trubisky, A.J. Dillon rookie, C.J. Henderson, and Tyler Johnson. Get into our third to last box here tonight. See if we can't find an auto in one of these last 3 boxes. Nick Chubb, Taysom Hill, Kyle Van Noy, Keenan Allen, Josh Allen, Kirk Cousins, Joe Mixon, Kenyon Drake, Dak Prescott, Patrick Mahomes, Matthew Stafford, Braden Cooks, Christian McCaffrey, Le'Veon Bell, George Kittle, Golden Tate. And our next ups are Van Jefferson, Zoning Commission, Tony Pollard. Next up, Jordan Love. There's a nice hit. Packers rookie quarterback. Our second Jordan Love of the night. First insert. Joe Mixon Blitz. Chase Young base rookie. Noah Igbanuhe rookie. Brian Edwards. Darren Taylor. Derek Brown. And our purple parallels for the pack are Lamar Jackson. Looks good, purple parallel with the purple uniform there. Terry McLaurin. Isaiah Cutler. Kenneth Murray. And CeeDee Lamb. There's a nice rookie card of our purple parallel. Get that one set aside here. We got 2 more boxes to go here. Wednesday night baseball breaks. 10 hanger box break. Panini playbook. Let's get into our 10th box here. Excuse me, our 9th box here. Here we go, box 9 of 10 on the night. Russell Wilson, Fletcher Cox, Derrick Henry, Rashad Gary, Baker Mayfield, Rob Gronkowski, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Tyrod Taylor, Golden Tate, Drew Lock, cover athlete, Amari Cooper, Mark Andrews, Christian Kirk, Mecole Hardman, Anthony Miller, Deshaun Watson are our first base cards. We got a next up Jalen Reagor and Henry Ruggs, 2 nice rookie cards there. Darrell Henderson, Zoning Commission, Blitz, Dewey Haskins, and back to the base cards, Joshua Kelly, Malcolm Perry, Antoine A. Winfield, Justin Jefferson base card, there's a nice one. A.J. Terrell, and our purple parallels are Fletcher Cox, Derrick Henry, Rashad Gary, Antonio Gandy Golden, and Harrison Bryant. Couple rookies there. And our final box of the night. Let's get into it here. Devin Bush, Josh Allen, Kirk Cousins, Joe Mixon, Kenyon Drake, Stephon Diggs, Darren Waller, Mitchell Trubisky, Randall Cobb, Curtis Samuel, Justin Tucker, Cooper Kupp, Cortland Sutton, Marvin Jones, Ben Roethlisberger, Alvin Kamara. Our inserts here in the final box. Jonathan Taylor next up, Gabe Davis next up, Alexander Madison, Zoning Commission, John Ross III, Blitz, Josiah DeGuara, rookie card, Jalen Reagor, rookie, Jeff Gladney, Zach Moss, Raekwon Davis, and our final purple parallels of the night, D.D. Westbrook, Adam Thielen, Austin Hooper, Isaiah Cutler, and our final card of the night is Kenneth Murray, purple parallel. That concludes our break here. I'll get together our best cards of the night, show everyone real quick. We have lots of the next up in Blitz and Zoning Commission, as you would expect here, ripping some playbook. I'm going to go through our next ups real fast for you. And our best 2 next ups on the night were the Justin Herbert and Jordan Love. And our most desirable rookies overall here, we had a pair of Justin Jeffersons. We had a CeeDee Lamb purple parallel. Antonio Gibson, throw him there. Orange parallel and the base, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. And the base, Jordan Love. And a whole lot of base cards and other inserts. We will get these sorted out and shipped